Apple has finally done it. They've released an iPhone that costs $3,500. The iPhone 16 Ultra is real, and it's priced like a used car or a pro camera setup. This isn't just another expensive phone, it's Apple creating a whole new tier. The tech world is buzzing. What could possibly justify this price? We've seen luxury phones before, but this is Apple, making a mainstream device that's anything but mainstream. The Ultra isn't a Pro Max upgrade, it's a statement, aimed at a niche audience who demands the absolute best. Apple knows most people won't buy it, the price is part of the allure. It's a halo product, making the regular iPhone 16 Pro look like a bargain. So, what makes this phone tick? We'll break down the materials, the chip, the camera, and all the details Apple packed in. We'll talk about who this phone is for, and who it's not. And finally, we'll tackle the big question. Is the iPhone 16 Ultra actually worth $3,500, or is it just the ultimate status symbol? Let's dive in. First impressions matter, and the iPhone 16 Ultra feels every bit as premium as its price. Apple's new custom-forged titanium blend is dense, rigid, and surprisingly comfortable. The brushed finish resists fingerprints and the edges are more curved for a better grip. Both sides are covered in sapphire shield glass, Apple's toughest, smoothest material yet. The camera bump is more integrated, with sapphire crystal over the lenses. It feels more like luxury jewelry than consumer tech. The 6.9-inch Super Retina XDR Pro display is stunning. Micro LED backlighting, 3000 nits peak brightness, and TrueMotion Pro for up to 240 Hz refresh rate. Colors are vibrant, blacks are perfect, and everything feels ultra smooth. There's a customizable action button, and a Thunderbolt 5 port disguised as USB-C for blazing fast data transfer. Every detail screams precision and purpose. Powering the Ultra is Apple's A19 Bionic Pro Max chip built on a cutting-edge 2nm process. It's not just fast, it's overkill for everyday tasks. But for pros, it's a game-changer 8-core CPU, 12-core GPU, and a 32-core neural engine. Edit 8K ProRes video, render 3D scenes, or run complex audio projects all in your pocket. The titanium frame and vapor chamber cooling keep performance high without throttling. This is a true mobile workstation, rivaling even MacBook Pros for certain workflows. For most, it's more power than you'll ever need. But for creators, journalists, and developers, it removes barriers between idea and execution. Shoot, edit, and upload pro-quality projects from a single device. The A19 chip is what makes the Ultra more than just a phone. The camera system is where the Ultra truly shines. Triple lens setup, a massive 1-inch 64MP main sensor with variable aperture for stunning low light and depth of field. The ultra-wide lens has zero distortion, and the telephoto offers true optical zoom from 3x to 10x. It's an engineering marvel, no digital cropping, just pure optical quality. On video it shoots 8K at 60 fps, 4K at 240 fps, and records 16-bit raw ProRes. This is pro-level flexibility, rivaling gear that costs thousands. Apple's computational photography and improved cinematic mode push image quality even further. For photographers and filmmakers, it's a pocket cinema rig. The line between smartphone and pro camera has never been blurrier. The iPhone 16 Ultra isn't for everyone, in fact it's for a tiny fraction of users. Most people don't need this much power, the regular iPhone 16 or 16 Pro is more than enough. The Ultra is for mobile journalists, indie filmmakers, pro photographers and architects who need top-tier tech on the go. It's built for those whose work depends on having the best portable tools. Battery life is the best ever in an iPhone, lasting up to 2 days. Redesigned stereo speakers and Thunderbolt 5 support turn it into a true mobile studio. For digital nomads and creators, it's a camera, editing suite, and computer in one. For them, the price starts to make sense. For everyone else, it's overkill. Is any phone worth $3,500? Compared to other flagships, probably not. The Ultra is pure luxury, diminishing returns for most users. But Apple isn't just selling a phone, they're offering a device that can replace pro cameras, laptops, and more. Add up the cost of a mirrorless camera, lenses, audio gear, and a laptop, and the Ultra starts to look reasonable for some. If it can replace even a few devices in a creator's workflow, it could pay for itself. For independent creators and mobile pros, the integration and convenience are unmatched. It won't replace Hollywood rigs or full studios, but it could consolidate a gear bag into one device. For the right user, it's not just worth it, it's a bargain. For everyone else, it's a status symbol. The iPhone 16 Ultra marks a new era for Apple, and maybe the whole tech industry. Apple's always been premium, but now they're targeting the ultra-premium luxury market. The $3,500 Ultra makes the $1,200 Pro look reasonable, a classic pricing strategy. It also lets Apple tap into a market that's immune to downturns, wealthy pros and status seekers. The Ultra isn't just competing with Samsung or Google, it's up against Sony, Canon, and even luxury brands. Owning one is a statement. You want the best or you want to be seen with the best. It's high-tech utility meets high-fashion luxury. The Ultra is the closest we've come to a true, all-in-one convergence device. Will others follow Apple into this ultra-premium space? Is this the future, or a step too far? Want all the details, photos, and performance breakdowns? Check out the full article right now, link in the description. Let me know what you think in the comments and check out my hands-on video for more.